Are you ready to go for saree shopping now? Very interesting, isn't it? Everybody would love to buy sarees. Whether we buy or not, sometimes we are so excited looking at the variety of sarees that are displayed in a saree shop. So now I am going to take you to one of the saree shops and you are going to buy a saree, and now we have a conversation between a salesman and you, okay, and a person who has come to buy the saree, and that's you. Okay, lucky you. Now let's go. This is like it comes under buying a saree at a saree shop. At a saree shop, and this is you, Mrs. A. This is AB, okay. This is AB. You are asking the salesman, can I see some good silk sarees and the salesman what do you think the salesman will ask? Because silk sarees means there are different kinds of silks. Okay, so he wants to know which section to take you to, because when you go to a silk saree shop, there will be different kinds like Tussar silk, Benares silk, Kanchipuram silk, Arani silk. See, silk itself, there are so many varieties. So the salesman is asking, I'm sorry, what silk, what kind of silk would you like to see? Do you want to see? Tussar silk, raw silk, Benares silk, Benares Arani silk, or Kanchipuram. And now you get so very bewildered. I never knew that there are so many different kinds of silk sarees. So you just oh my, I never knew. There are so many kinds of silks. Well, I would like to I would like to see some Kanchipuram silks. Okay. Now Kanchipuram silk also, there are different kinds like with heavy work of jari, full jari, only the border and pallu jari, or without jari at all. Jari is a golden thread with which they embroider or they do the workmanship in a sari. Okay, so salesman asks the next question. Do you want with heavy jari or less zari? And what did you have in mind? You wanted something with a border, with a nice heavy border, not full zari, because only the bride usually wears a sari with full zari. So you wanted something with a beautiful heavy border, zari border. So that's what you are going to ask. I want heavy zari bordered sari, probably of two colors. It is body one color and border another color, probably of two colors, one for the body and the other for the border and pallu. Pallu means the one which comes here. Okay. So you want a heavy zari bordered sari, probably of two colors, maybe one color for the body and the other color for the border and pallu. Okay. What is your budget, ma'am? He asks, because there are varieties of saris. So, according to the budget, he will show you the saris. What is your budget? He's asking. So, you had in mind probably a sari for the price of 7,000, okay. But 7,000 you can't get a heavy zari bordered sari. Well, my budget is around rupees 7,000. And the salesman says, you cannot get a heavy bordered saree for 7,000. You cannot get a heavy bordered saree for rupees 7,000. Can we go till 10,000? Can we go to 10,000? He's asking. And you also say okay, because you very badly want a beautiful Kanchipuram saree with a heavy border and that too of 2 colors. So you don't mind spending 3 more thousand extra. So you say okay, go ahead. Go ahead and show me. It'll be nice if it is. It'll be nice if it has some stonework. Okay, so the salesman shows a lot of sarees. Here are the, yes madam, here are the sarees. Now we'll end here because you are seeing the sarees. It's up to you to decide, because it's very difficult for a lady to decide on any particular saree. When you see a variety of sarees, you always get so perplexed. You won't know which one to buy. This is nice, that is nice, everything is nice. So you are still choosing the saree. Let's see what you are going to buy. Okay. So shall we go ahead with the dialogue now? This is a general dialogue. When you go to a saree shop, this is how you will ask the salesman and this is how the salesman will answer you. And then he displays a lot of sarees before you and you become so very bewildered as to which one to choose. Okay, at a saree shop, now the dialogue goes like this. Mrs. A.B. Can I see some good silk sarees? There's a question mark. It's a, okay. Salesman. What kind of silk would you like to see? Do you want to see tussar silk, raw silk, Benares silk, Arani silk or Kanchipuram silk? And you just express your ignorance, like all these days you didn't know that there are so many kinds of silks, and you say, oh my, you can put an exclamatory mark there. I never knew there are so many kinds of silk. Well, I would like to see some Kanchipuram silk. And salesman says, do you want with heavy jarri work or less jarri work? And you say, I want a heavy zari bordered saree, probably of 2 colors, one for the body and the other for the border and pallu. So the border and pallu are of one color and the body is of another color, and you want one with heavy border. See, there can be so small a border, there can be a little bigger, and it can be a heavy border also, like so big a border full of jari work. That is what you want to buy. So, salesman immediately asks you for your budget. What is your budget, madam? And you say, well, my budget is around 7,000. That's what you had in mind, but then when you hear of all the different varieties and all that, you just feel okay, a little more it's okay, I can buy. And salesman says, ma'am, you cannot get a heavy bordered sari for 7,000. Can we go till 10,000? And you think for some time and say, okay, go ahead and show me. Go ahead and show me. It will be nice if it has some stone work on it. Okay, stone work on it. If it has some stone work on it. You just show your desire. And salesman says, yes, madam, here are the sarees, and he displays different kinds of sarees, and you look here, you look there, you are still bewildered, you are so confused as which one to buy.